Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, Artificial Intelligence Concepts and Techniques, week 5th, assignment 5th. So the first question is, an expert system without the knowledge base is called. So these are the option: tool, shell, expert system, knowledge. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, overview of expert system shell, a collection of software package and tool used to develop expert system. So the answer of our first question is B, shell. Now the second question is, in an expert system, what represents the fact and rules? So these are the option: knowledge base, interference engine, operating system, input interface. So let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, component of an expert system, knowledge base, store all relevant information, data, rules, cases and relationships used by the expert system, often represented as fact and rule. So the answer of our second question is A, knowledge base. Now the third question is, what is a planning graph used for in AI planning? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of third question. So question third, planning graph, PG is directed graph organized into levels and so on. So the answer of our third question is C, representing possible state and action in a compact form. Now, the fourth question is, in partial order planning, what is the main difference compared to total order planning? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, partial order planning, total order plans give a linear sequence of action. Partial order plan is a set of action and a set of constants of the form before that one action occur before another. So the answer of our question 4 is D, action and C are sequenced in a partial order, allowing flexibility. Now, the fifth question is, does planning allow the agent to take advice from the domain designer in the form of decomposition rules? So, these are the option: graph plan, hierarchical task network, set plan, partial order plan. So, let's check the answer of our fifth question. So, question fifth, hierarchical planning. Using these type of hierarchical planning is called hierarchical task network. So, the answer of our fifth question is B, hierarchical task network. Now the sixth question is, which of the following search belongs to totally ordered plain search? So these are the option: forward state space search, hill climbing search, depth first search, breadth first search. So let's check the answer of sixth question. So question six, forward state space search or progression search. So these and so on. So the answer of our sixth question is A, forward state space search. Now the seventh question is, what are present in the empty plan? So these are the option: start state, goal state, start and goal state, sum of the state. So let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seven, partial order planner, start state and finish state. So the answer of our seventh question is C, start and goal state. Now the eighth question is, what is the main goal of resource optimization in AI? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is C, to achieve the best possible performance with the available resources. Now, the ninth question is, in the context of planning, execution, monitoring, refer to. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question nine, conditional planning, execution, monitoring, keeps monitoring, and if there is an error in plan, it deals with these errors. So the answer of our ninth question is A, observe the execution of the plan to detect and respond to discrepancies. Now, the 10th question is, replanning in planning is necessary when. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10, replanning. Replanning assume there is execution monitoring to determine the need for a new plan. Replanning also need if the agent's model of the world is incorrect. So the answer of our 10th question is D, the initial plan encounters unforeseen obstacles or changes. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.